bowling, take them bowling.
Some people say that bowling alleys got big lanes.
Got big lanes, got big lanes. That is Take the Skinheads Bowling. Camper Van Beethoven. Camper Van Beethoven. They morphed out into Cracker? They morphed into Cracker? And then something else after that. Anyway, they're a good band from the I was going to say early 80s, but late 70s, I think. Tonight, I thought we would take a look at some Ballast Point lager. This kind of threw me because Ballast Point usually does a fish theme with their beer, and their regular lager is longfin. It's got tuna on it. This, I think, is their entry into the light beer market because it only has 99 calories. What the fuck's going on with light beers and bullshit? Fucking weak-minded. Anyway, Ballast Point got bought out by Constellation. Constellation does the big Mexican beers like Corona, right? Corona Modelo. Those are owned by Constellation. So now I don't know whether or not these are GMO beers because they're bought out by giant global conglomerates. I hate those scum. But I won't blame the guy that owned the brewery. If they offered me a ridiculous check, I would sell it too. The only problem is good color and nice head, right? Really nice nose on it. Kind of that flat, empty nose. Their webpage is nice enough to tell me that we're looking at 4.2 ABV and 10 IBU. Gives me nothing on the SRM, but I'm thinking SRM is 3, maybe 4. It's a lager, so it's going to be really light. I'm just spitballing here, but I noticed the other night I was finishing up some strays in the refrigerator. And most of the strays I have left over are GMO beers, because you've seen me do the GMO beer thing before. And I'll tell you, if it's a GMO beer, I don't want to drink it. I don't want weed killer. Well, you know, today's been a pretty good allergy day, even though the weather's been absolutely goat-fucked out here. Cloudy, sunny, windy, not windy. But allergy-wise hasn't been horrible until I started drinking these. And I noticed the other night when I was drinking GMO beer, my allergies would kick in. And when I was drinking, I think it was the Santa Fe Gold, no problems. Didn't give me a fucking issue. So now I'm spitballing, but I'm wondering if GMO beers are triggering my fucking allergies on top of everything else. Of course, I'm tinfoil hat crazy. Doesn't mean I'm wrong. Alrighty, folks. Happy Friday. Again, yeah, nice light nose. It's a lager. I'm not expecting it to be super complicated. It did say that it had hints of pear and banana. Why? The fuck do I need pear and banana in my goddamn... I don't even like lime in my goddamn beer. But she's light, crisp, clean. I mean, it tastes a little bit like beer on the front end. And the middle is non-existent, and the back end is crisp and clean. It was what I was looking for today. It was just something uncomplicated. I just wanted to have a couple of beers. And I was going to go with Palisades Pineapple, and I found out that Golden Pond got bought out by Anheuser-Busch InBev. And so Golden Road, not Golden Pond, is now, squizzy, on my shit can list, which sucks, because they had some really tasty stuff. Brewed with 100% two-row barley and a light touch of Apollo hops. Ballast Point Lager is a refreshing choice for any occasion, whether you're a doctor at sea. It is the perfect companion for whatever destination lies ahead. Right? Just hit the beer nose starts fucking running. You tell me. Anyway. God, I hope I'm not allergic to beer. Well, that would completely fuck my life. Anyway. I like it. It's nice enough. Just kind of worried that they're trying to pump me full of fucking weed killer for shits and giggles. Well, actually, poisoning me for profit would be a better turn of the phrase. again, it's what I was looking for. I just wanted to have a couple of beers and kick back. It's a long week this week. And I didn't want to have to deal with anything. I just wanted to come home, kick back. This is the second take on this. I started the first take and then just noise fucking everywhere. So it's going to be one of those days like Mr. Murphy decided to come visit. Tell me, dude, is it a coincidence? Or I don't fucking know. My suspicions, though. Anyway, that's about all I got. It was $9.99 for the six-pack. I had to pick it up from Tony and Alan at the craft beer brewery shop with one-stop hop shop or something like that. I don't remember the name. It's on the glass. If I do another tulip glass, you'll see it's on there because they gave me the glass anyway. That's all I got. Well, that, and since I'm on my second beer, 4 more beers to make my nose run. Alrighty, folks. Thanks for checking in. Have a nice weekend. Hopefully, you were able to screw the government more than they were able to screw you on your taxes this year. Unfortunately, I wasn't. Such is life, right? Neither here nor there. I will catch you on the next review. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, remind, blah, 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 all that yakety schmackety bullshit. I will see you on my next brew. Skull, folks. Have a nice weekend.